Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off developer options. First let me check whether developer options has been enabled or not. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down. So here under about phone you can see developer options. That means in this mobile phone developer options has been enabled. I am going to turn off this developer mode. Tap on this developer options and here you can see list of developer options. And here on top you can see developer options on off button. We can just tap here and turn off developer options. Done. Let me verify. Go back, then go down. See, now under about phone is not showing developer options because I have completely turned off developer options. This way we can turn off developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.